Wednesday, January 15th, 11:50 p.m. Welcome back, everybody. As I promised in today's session in the morning, on live from our trading floor here from superareas.com trading floor, where we broadcast every Monday to Friday from approximately 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. ES markets, Nasdaq markets, and 15 other markets, and we've been doing this from 2008. Anything I paste here is just for informational, educational purposes only. It's not for financial advice. The purpose of today's video is a lot of users were looking for doing back testing. How do you back test, and would like to kind of figure out, okay, I want to test mid-band, I want to test divergence, I want to test retracement, divergence, Bollinger Bands, everything you can back test. How to do? First of all, you have to go into your control center right here. You have to make sure nothing is connected. So your Apex, Bullnox, Legends, Tradeify, all of these companies that nothing is connected. So you would go, but at least you have an active account, whether it's with demo of NinjaTrader, or you have it with Legends, or you have it with whoever you have it with. Just make sure you have an active data account, so you are actually subscribed to live data, or even a delayed data is fine, because we're going to go in the past. So all you have to do is go under connections, and you can go something called Playback right here. So I would go Playback, and then I would go, let's say ES, Nasdaq, futures, market, whichever contract you would like to do, or indices, or anything to do how the market behaved during that particular time. You can go days, months, however you like. So generally for back testing, we like to know, do our back testing, let's say morning session from 9 to 11 or 8 to 11 evening sessions, because a lot of time when we are writing code and we're writing these strategies and indicators and algorithms, let's say and we're doing the servers back testings, because 12,000 of you are sending lots of queries to the server, and we figure out we don't get any of your data on how you're trading or anything like that. However, based on certain RSI indicators, we have a pool of data that we can check and see how traders are behaving, and the data is actually used to make the probability higher. The more users there are, the better it is. So, and since 2008, we have plenty of data. In order to, I know some data has been for Ninja 6 or 7, things like that, and now Ninja 8. The data is coming in relatively. The queries that we are logging are coming in relatively faster, and cloud has changed, so it has helped us make the algorithm much better, such as the value area. So everything is pulled live from the server. So let's I want to play back the, let's say, ES data, and I would like to play back on whatever happened on Thursday, January the 9th. All right, so I would go first of all right here, ES, January the 9th, pick a date. So I will pick a date, January the 9th. So again, let me start this over again. So I went to connections, I went to playback, nothing is connected. You see gray right here, nothing is connected. Then I went ES, and I went to January 9th, 2025, and I would hit download. It's downloaded, and you can go and check right here. It got downloaded from 11 p.m. to 4 p.m. For the whole data. And then I would go continue. There you go. Simple as that. Just like a playback of any market, it actually starts to move there. So you can just go back to exact time. Let's say I want to look at January the 10th at 2 p.m. or 9th or 8th or 7th. There you go. Market is ready. All I have to do is, market is playing, hit play. If I play, the market, as you see, these orders starting to change, and this is happening of January the 10th, 2:15 p.m. And then I want to place an order. Okay, no problem. Let me minimize this. I want to test copier. I want to do anything. So you can do all of this in Playback. And in this case, let's test an ATM that, hey, if the price comes to mid-band, I should sell. How should I sell? So you can pause it and you can practice it. So let's say I want to do an ATM where I want to set a 20 ticks TP and 20 ticks stop loss. Let's call it again. ES. I'm doing this on 1510 and I'm setting 20 TP, 20 tick TP, 20 tick stop loss, and there you go. Okay, my ATM is saved and I want to place an order. So as you see, this is bearish, this is bearish. Remember, this is old data on January the 10th right here. So computer is saying, algorithm is saying, do this right here. Remember, these areas are not valid. They're coming from today, this morning. So don't worry about these. So right click and I would place a sell limit. Okay, you want to see how it went. Press OK, press play, and you can speed it up. 2 speed, 3 speed, 4 speed. Okay, let's move it down slightly. I want to put it here. Let's do it 4 speed. So market will test it faster. So you don't have to go step by step. So number 6, in this case, this is a gap trade. Price went up to very close to mid-band. It didn't touch. You have a bit of a gap. But anyway, it didn't pick my mid-band. So here I can pause it. I can test it. Hey, how do I move my stop loss? How do I move my sell limit? Remember, in this case, my ATM is set. I'm just putting my offer that, hey, I would like to sell or short my contract from this price, 58.72. And I would like to back test it. So play again. Let's see. Now I want to learn how to attach mid-band. So I paused it and I'm holding the control button and I double click. And it says, which way would you like to attach? In this case, I will go close to the midline and double click. And it says attach to the T-band. Okay, done. Now I've placed a short order that I would like to sell wherever the mid-band price is going. My ETM is set up. My sell is set up. And I play as you see quickly, because I'm running at 6 speed, guys. As the price of mid-band is moving down, automatically my sell order is moving down. So this is called attaching your limit order to a particular indicator. You can attach it to any of our 25 indicators. Large triggers, small triggers, Bollinger Band, RSI, everything. Right here I can see divergence if you want to see lower low, lower low. But the price of strength or BBs did not go down. So MACDs there's a divergence. So anyway, so right here, plus play. As you see, my mid-band is going down. Automatically, my order is 58.67. Let's see if it picks it up. All the way goes up. One more time. Did not touch the mid-band. Oh, it missed by 58.66. It missed by almost 4 plus 5, 5 ticks. 4 plus 1. So no problem. It's okay. Our order does not change. We will always stay at a mid-band. In the next video, I'll show you how to do it. There you go. My order got picked up. And I already touched mid-band because, of course, I'm running at 6 speed. It just happened too fast. So I can slow it down. There you go. I can now do it 1 speed. And all you have to do is look. The price got picked up, coming down. I saw $125. I can move my stop loss. There you go. I'm moving my stop loss into my trailing profit. And $87 I locked. $62 I locked. And my order is done. Simple as that. So I just picked a random time, completely random, and I didn't know the time before, and I picked January 10th and 2 p.m. and I let's test it twice mid-band. It failed here. It did not fail here. It's just the price didn't get picked up because my order was sitting at a mid-band. In this case, the mid-band worked. and it picked up and it gave me 2 points. What are we after every mid-band? At least 2 points, 1 point, 4 ticks, 8 ticks. And then if the price happens to go faster, you can trail the same mid-band. One good mid-band, and sometime you're done $400 in a blink of an eye. All right, that's how you play. And all I have to do is, if I go back, and there you go, I made $62. So you can do all sorts of back testing on all of our products, going back and looking at the areas, looking at anything, looking at divergence. So it's all available for you for absolutely no cost, as long as you have an active connection, whether a demo or a Legends or Apex or Bullnox, as long as you can get your data feed of futures data inside your Playback. Of course, you can do this on Connect and stocks and options and crypto and micro. Anything is possible to play back historical data with Ninja. So connection, if I want to disconnect and go back normal, I can go and disconnect, and then that thing is finished. It will go back to the current when you are ready to connect to something. And let's say if I connect back to my NinjaTrader, my Apex PA account, and which is pretty much dead because it's a demo account. I can't even withdraw anything on it. I'm just using it for data. There you go, market. Automatically from the server, it pushed out the new date because we are almost at 12 a.m. Eastern. The new day is starting. So now it has given you a new session. So new session, highs and lows and value areas. So everything is done at the server side, and you guys can take a look. If I want to trade, test the live. So computer is saying, hey, if you were to sell here, best price, sell limit. So I will wait here. I'm on a sim anyway. But this is how you do live testing. Live testing, a bit of a drawback is you have to go with the speed of market. So you can't go and expedite it and make it slower or faster and test your strategies. So back testing requires playback. And I will close this trade. And if you want to play back again, first I have to disconnect. Playback does not work if I don't disconnect. So disconnect right here, go to connections. I will go playback again. And this time, let's say you can pick any market. You want to do futures, micro Bitcoin, crude oil, 6B, 6C, however, whichever. And we give you 15 markets data, and you can play back anything and test this in your however you like. So I will go and disconnect the playback. And there you go, guys. One quick maybe 5-10 minutes video on explaining how to do playback, and next video I will do on how to attach your order to the bottom of the bar, because that's a really great way to scalp. The method is called, if I log into superareas.com, we have 9 ways for you to trade. Let me log in, and if you log in, of course you have your everything strategy boards and all sorts of cool things. Today's events of January 16th, Thursday now is. Tomorrow is important day too, right? So anyway, my corporate earnings are there. The packages, let's go back and, sorry, I gotta go and show you their trading journal. Right here it says our live stream comes for you every morning. I think there's a trading journal. Maybe I have disabled it. Oh, trading journal right here. So with our software, you have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or more methods to do it. The highest, I've programmed them to the highest possibility. Of course, you have the area trade, you have the mid-band trade, night session trade, black risk, low of the bar. So I've done extensive videos on areas. It's all there. I've done mid-band videos, latest and greatest with the 8.1. That's done. Daniel has explained to you many times how the night session works. You look at base and pressure, and then whichever, if it opens above. So next video I'm about to do is called low or top of the bar, and that is called a retracement divergence. So there's a divergence. This got to be fixed. Price versus our RSI. So the programmer has to write divergence. So this one I will do low, high of the bar. It's called retracement divergence. So that's the technical name for it, where price does not match MACDs or Bollinger Bands or RSIs, things like that. So how to attach the moment you have a trend change, you want to, if ever, by the way, this happens where you mess up, you don't have to panic. Just right click and click reload NinjaTrader and it will come back. So many cases you want to sell here because trend change and you are too far from the mid band, and you're like, if the price comes, you see, let me give you one quick example. Okay, trend change from green to red. You want to sell now, but the moment you have to sell on the top of the bar. So that's called the retracement divergence. So I know this video is not intended for this, but next video I will do a quick. And this is happening every day, hundreds of times. Retracement divergence here. Retracement divergence right here. Retracement. This did move a little bit, so I will ignore this one. You have right here, slightly, retracement divergence. You don't miss these trades. They're free money. Oh, huge. 1, 2, 3. And then you can just scalp. If you just took this retracement divergence from here to here, this is like $100. From here to here, $100. Here to here, that's $300. And 41 to 55, 10 minutes, $300. Another retracement divergence right here. That's another $100. Another retracement. That's all happening. Retracement divergence called low of the bar, top of the bar. But you have, now with this new version, you can attach it. So we pushed out the update after December 17th, NinjaTrader 8. You don't have to keep placing your order in order. It will automatically attach itself. So I will do a video next one. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.